everyone and welcome back. I am here right in front of Hopefarm Metro Station and I have an excellent property to show you all around. So let's get started. Mahindra Blossoms by Mahindra Lifespaces. One of the biggest advantages of this project is its excellent connectivity. The metro station is right behind me and the ITPL main road is just 500 meters away from the project and Sannasandra main road is just 350 meters from the project, ensuring smooth and seamless connectivity to the major parts of the city. Mahindra Lifespaces is one of India's most reputed developers with over 50 projects spread across 9 cities, including 7 projects in Bangalore. Backed up by the Mahindra Group's 80 plus years of legacy and trust, the brand is known for delivering quality developments with a strong focus on sustainability and customer-centric design. For those looking at investment opportunities or an end-use home close to Bangalore's thriving IT corridor, this project is definitely worth considering, and I will tell you why exactly by the end of this video. Now coming to the location, which is one of the strongest highlight of Mahindra Blossom, Whitefield is home to over 1,000 IT and multinational companies, making it one of Bangalore's largest employment hubs. Several prominent tech parks including Sigma Tech Park, EPIP Zone and Prestige Shantiniketan Business Park are located in close proximity to the project. Major companies such as Google, SAP, Oracle, IBM, Accenture, TCS, Dell Technologies have a significant presence in this corridor. The Google office is just 800 meters away, GR Tech Park is approximately 1.4 kilometers away, HM Tech Park is around 1.7 kilometers away and ITPL is just 2.2 kilometers away from the project, making daily commutes incredibly convenient for the working professionals. Now coming to Mahindra Blossom itself, the project is spread across 7.8 acres with nearly 4 acres dedicated to greenery and open spaces, offering residents a perfect balance between urban living and nature. The project also features over 97,000 square feet of clubhouse space with thoughtfully curated amenities including a half Olympic sized swimming pool, badminton courts, a business center, jogging tracks, a yoga and a meditation deck, a multi-purpose court, a pet park, a party lawn with a barbecue area and multiple landscape recreational spaces designed for all age groups. Another key highlight is Mahindra's commitment to sustainability. The project comes with IGBC Gold Tree certification and incorporates several environmentally conscious features, including reduced energy consumption systems, water efficient solutions, and a net zero waste approach, ensuring a more responsible and future-ready lifestyle. When it comes to social infrastructure, almost everything you need is available within a 5-kilometer radius. Park Square Mall is just 2.1 kilometers away, Nexus Whitefield is approximately 3 kilometers away, and Nexus Shantiniketan is around 4.3 kilometers away. Whitefield Global School is located just 850 meters from the project, while National Public School is just 3.6 kilometers away. For healthcare needs, Manipal Hospital is approximately 4.1 kilometers away and Sri Satya Sai Super Speciality Hospital is around 3.7 kilometers away. So whether you're looking for a home to live in or an investment opportunity, Mahindra Blossom offers a great mix of location, connectivity, lifestyle amenities, social infrastructure and workplace. For more details or to book a site visit, reach out to Address Advisors, and for more such property walkthroughs, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.